I have a couple of groups of rows here. I can select these rows, go up to View, Group, and now I have the option to ungroup them. If I click Ungroup, it'll ask me, do I want to ungroup the rows or the columns? In this case, I do not have the columns grouped, so it is not allowed, but I can ungroup rows 2 through 4. And you'll see the plus sign on the far left disappears because they are ungrouped now. This section here, we can also ungroup, View, Group, Ungroup, and ungroup rows 8 to 10. And there, suddenly, I don't have the bar on the left side anymore because there are no more groups of my rows. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.